What is up, my good friends? Austin Armstrong here, back again with a super quick, super helpful digital and video marketing trick. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get your phone number and or website onto the first pages of Google super fast. Now, if you're at all familiar with how SEO, search engine optimization, works, you know these results take a lot of time, sometimes even months. But I'm going to show you how you can leverage YouTube to skip that long process and get up there fast. This works no matter what industry or niche you're in. So I'm going to show you examples of how I've done this and exactly how to do this step by step as well. So let's go. Come on.
Okay, my friends, so if you have the capacity at all to do any sort of video, which you probably do if you have a recent smartphone, then you can do this too. I'm going to show you a couple cool examples here of what I've been able to achieve doing this, and then I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can do it too. How to use LinkedIn for business marketing. Sometimes it's on page 1, sometimes it's on page 2. It's totally okay. This video in particular has gotten me a ton of traffic to my LinkedIn account, tons of messages, and it's awesome. The difference between hallucinations and delusions. This is another search term that has 1,900 searches per month. This is at the top of page 2 right now when I'm doing this, but this was on page 1 for a long time, and it kind of fluctuates. But as you can see here, I have the phone number of a treatment center. Shout out to Beginnings Treatment Centers. Right here. Back over here to the actual video. Difference between hallucinations and delusions. This has 5,600 views overall. And then referral source, we can see that 410 views on this video came in from Google search as well. Let's just keep going down. So stalker psychology, 590 searches. There's our video right there. This is actually on the first page. I don't have a phone number in there, but all you need to do is change the meta description, which I'm going to show you as well, and you can have that right there. What do opiates feel like? These are great search terms for the treatment industry. So 170 searches per month. Here we go again. Here's our phone number on there. Long-term effects of babies born addicted to opiates, 840 searches per month. Here's our video again. Phone number. Intensive outpatient program definition, 70 searches per month. Here's our video. Phone number again. Who should attend an intervention? This one doesn't have a lot of search volume, but it's still a potentially decent term that does get some searches in the grand scheme of things. So I just wanted to blanket the field, but yeah, as you can see here, first page, video, phone number, and then firefighter burnout is one we recently did as well. We did a 3-part series. This term gets 50 searches per month, and we have the field pretty much blanketed, so we have all 3 parts of our videos on the first page of Google. So these are a couple quick examples. Literally, you can do this in any industry. A lot of what I do healthcare marketing, so this is naturally the examples that I'm showing you. Basically, what you want to do is find these search volume terms that are not being utilized in your industry and then blanket the field with them, because there's so many of these search terms that people are looking for, and as I said earlier, Google loves to index YouTube videos, and it's a great opportunity to take advantage of that and organically rank really quick. So here is how you do this step by step. This is exactly the process I use to do this for all of the clients we work with. So I'm just going to show you. So there's a couple different ways that you can do your keyword research. First and foremost, what you want to do, this is a helpful tool that I use, but there's alternatives. But keywords everywhere. If you can't tell, I'm a huge fan of Google Chrome extensions because they just make your life so much easier. But keywords everywhere is an amazing tool. Basically what it does is it shows you that search volume up here within Google, and it pulls these results from Google Keyword Planner, which is the other way that you can do this research. But you just go to do a quick search for Keyword Everywhere tool. You can add it right to Chrome, and it'll install and just kind of work in the background. Google Keyword Planner. So you're going to go to adwords.google.com. Go to the tools section, which is up here, and then you'll click on Keyword Planner. And then what you want to do is you just want to type in, start with whatever your industry is. You can start loose. So for this example, I put in personality disorder. What Keyword Planner does is it shows you a ton of similar content, or similar search terms rather, the volume of search and the competition. So you can go through here and kind of see which specific search terms are getting the most amount of search volume, and the competition for them. What I recommend and what I do is don't go for these super popular ones if you create a video on schizophrenia, because that's a very competitive, there's a lot of volume there term. You're probably not going to rank immediately for that. But if you come down and check out some of these other ones, borderline personality disorder causes, which gets 8,100 searches per month, or I don't know, you can do all of these. Borderline personality disorder signs, 3,600 searches per month. These are a lot less competitive, and there's still a good amount of search volume. So then what you want to do is you want to come over to Google, copy this borderline personality disorder signs, Google search, as you can see again here with keywords everywhere. I have the search volume, and then you just kind of look through here and see if there's any videos that are popping up, and it doesn't look like it. So this is a good opportunity for you to create a video. So there's no video specifically titled borderline personality disorder signs. So the next thing you would do is just create a really authentic, genuine, helpful video addressing this search term. So you can literally go down this list and find some great search terms that work for you. I'd suggest putting them in a spreadsheet and then just outline a video strategy, and you can keep going down the list like this way, and it will skyrocket your YouTube growth, and you'll start to see phone calls generated, and it's a very helpful strategy. There's a couple things here for this strategy to work. So you want to optimize the hell out of the video that you're creating. So this is the video itself. You want to front load the first part of your video title to be the search term that you're trying to rank for, and then kind of spread on it so it seems like something that you would want to click on. So firefighter burnout, paramedic burnout, survival guide. So we have firefighter burnout as the first phrase here. In the description here, you want to have the keyword term that you want to rank for in the first 2 lines. Google displays meta descriptions. It's about 140 characters, I believe, in Google search when your video ranks in there. So you want to. This is why we put the phone number at first, or you can put your website or a bit.ly link or something like that. And then down here in the tag section, you want it to be your first tag. So not a lot of people know this, but the first tag that you put on your YouTube video has extra weight than the rest of the tags. So you want to put that first, whatever you want to rank for, put that first. Write a long description about this video and this search term. They give you about 5,000 characters, so use those characters. And as you can see here, we for Dr. Gerald Fishkin, great guy, we use this to sell books for him. This strategy works very quick. I've seen videos pop up on search results on Google within 15 minutes. Sometimes it can take up to an hour. After you've recorded the video, posted it on YouTube, optimized it, another way that you want to drive a lot of traffic to it that's a positive ranking factor for Google is send traffic to it. So post it up on your other social media accounts, send it out on your email list, post it on an appropriate subreddit. So there's all of these signals coming to this video that tells Google that it is a valuable search result, and it'll help you organically rank for lasting value.
So I really hope this video was helpful for you today. If it was, I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below, or just simply like this video or share it with someone that you think it would help. Until next time, I'll see you soon, my friends.